I would like everyone to imagine that they are on a small island with 5 other people. There are very limited resources on this island, and the goal is for everyone to survive. The first thing that probably pops into everyone's mind is how you will all divide up these limited resources that are available to you among everyone who is on this island. This is the idea of resource partitioning. Being able to divide up these resources between everyone without any competition happening between each other is crucial to everyone's survival. This concept is what I am studying in freshwater mussels. Freshwater mussels are very important organisms in freshwater ecosystems, and learning all about them and how they live is very beneficial. Mussels live in these dense assemblages of many different species, and these are called mussel beds. With that many species are adapted to living in the same area, there has to be some sort of resource partitioning happening. If there wasn't, the different species would be competing against each other for these same available resources. This could lead to the extinction of some of the species if they are being outcompeted by the others. The most important resource to many different organisms is food. That is the resource that I am focusing in on my research. Freshwater mussels are known to feed on bacteria, but there is very little knowledge and there are not very many studies that actually focus on the actual species of the bacteria that they utilize as food. What I am doing is identifying to the species level what bacteria 2 different species of mussels that live in the same mussel bed are utilizing as a food source. I am doing this by taking the DNA from the mussel's stomach and comparing it to the DNA that I take from the water where these mussels live and feed. So the idea is being able to see what resources are available in this body of water, and then comparing it to what these mussels are actually digesting in their stomach as food. Now you may be thinking, why does this matter to me? Well, mussels play a huge role in keeping our water systems healthy. They are known as filter feeders, meaning they take in big quantities of water, filter out the food that they are using, which in this case would be bacteria, and then they push out that excess water. You can think of these organisms as small living pumps. This mechanism helps to purify the surrounding water by taking all that bacteria out and utilizing it as food. In turn, this ends up reducing the pollution of the surrounding water. Freshwater systems are actually where we get our drinking water from, so being able to identify what bacteria these mussels are filtering out of this water we will eventually be drinking is very beneficial to the management of these water systems.